Hey everyone, Technically Jeff here, and today I'm reviewing an EV charger from a very popular brand on Amazon called Mustart, and it offers solid level 2 charging speeds along with ETL certification, as well as some nice features in a portable package that's fairly inexpensive. And I'm excited to test it out, so let's get it unboxed and take a look. So we'll go ahead and take it out of the packaging here. We have the user manual. We have a little bag here. There's a mount for the J1772 connector when you're not using it, which is nice. There's also a hook to hang the cable when you're not using it as well. And we've got some more hardware here. Then we've got the charger itself in its own carrying bag. I'll go ahead and take it out. And it's all wrapped up here. We have the NEMA 1450 plug. We have the J1772 connector, which actually looks really good. I really like the look and feel of this. Then we have the controller for the charger. It's in line with a cable and definitely compact. You have the button to adjust the amperage on here. And at the bottom you can set a delay timer, which is nice for time of use charging. And it looks good. Now taking a look at the manual, you can see the screen indicators as well as how to change the amperage and charging delay timer. It also tells you how to use it, some troubleshooting info, and the product specs. This version is adjustable up to 40 amps, which is the highest amount any EV charger can do when plugged in. And it needs to be on a circuit capable of at least 50 amps, which I have. So let's go ahead and test it out. All right, I got it plugged in here. Right now it is set on 40 amps. I'll show you how easy it is to change it. There's 15 amps, 25 amps, 32 amps, and back to 40 amps. Then for the time delay here, you just tap the bottom button and it increases the hour delay. So for example, if you know your charge rates decrease in 6 hours, you can set it up to not start charging until then. Very simple and easy to use. There's also the temperature and other information shown on the display here as well. Now let's plug it in and see how it does. Helps if I unlock the car. That's a nice fit. The car said charging started. And it's showing 38.7 amps, which is good. They all typically pull slightly less than the set amount. And looking in the car, it's showing 9.5 kilowatts, which I've seen from basically every 40 amp EV charger I've tested, so that's good. Again, nice good fit with a J1772 connector. And it's looking good. It is interesting it shows 9.2 kilowatts on the charger display. But yeah, it's working well. Nice long cable here. Now let's test the other amperages. Here's 15 amps. It shows it's pulling 14.1. And the car is getting 3.5 kilowatts. Now for 25 amps. The car shows 5.9 kilowatts. Again, it's interesting, the charger displays a little bit less kilowatts than the car. And you can't change the amperage while it's plugged in. You do have to unplug it. That's common among EV chargers. Now we can test 32 amps. The charger shows it's pulling 30.6 amps and 7.3 kilowatts. And the car says it's getting 7.6 kilowatts. I'll go ahead and set it back to 40 amps. I just love that connector. And it's charging well. Overall, I'm very pleased with it. The charging speeds are good and easily adjustable, and the delay timer is very easy to set for those of you with those time of use charging rates. The J1772 connector feels great and makes a nice solid connection to the car. The cable is nice and long, and the charger controller is compact and in line, so it's easy to roll up and put in the carrying case. And it's got some nice safety features too. It's rated for indoor and outdoor use, and it's ETL listed for electrical safety, which is great and very important for EV chargers. It has protection against overheating, overcurrent, overvoltage, and battery leakage. And like I mentioned, it's very popular on Amazon with good, actually real reviews. It's rated 4.4 out of 5 with over 1,000 ratings, and several people noted good customer service in the reviews too, which is really nice to see. So overall, I think it's great, and it's under $300 after their Amazon coupon and my promo code TechJeff04, which I got them to give you guys. And that's a really good price. You get an adjustable, high-speed, portable Level 2 EV charger that's ETL listed and includes a delay timer. And it has a nice long cable, the carrying bag so you can easily take it with you. And if you want to use it as your main charger, it has the J1772 holster and the hook for the cables. So anyway, I like it. I recommend it. But let me know if you guys have any questions on it. I'll post a link in the description for you guys if you want to check it out. Be sure to subscribe for more videos too. I have a lot more coming. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys soon.